weeks if you wanna get your hair laced. If you wanna come see me, silk press from the fly ass dreads. I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
What's up, my LoRyders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official LoRyder. Okay, guys, I'm bobbing. And this is the third wig in my series of bringing 3 old wigs back to life by shampooing, deep conditioning, and styling them. And this is the third one, which is the end of this series. So look, you guys, I'm bobbing, huh? So keep watching the video so you can see how I got a wavy wig that was old and tangled, tamed, okay? Revived. Huh? Okay. All right. Okay, my LoRyders, I'm about to shampoo the hair, and I'm using the same shampoo that I used on the 2 previous wigs that I did in this series. And I'll put the picture up right now. Okay, you guys, I'm only going to wash this wig, shampoo this wig one time because I only wore it once. And that's what happens with most of my wigs. I wear them once. But, man, you guys, I love this shampoo. I think I told you guys this in the other videos. But you guys have to get out and try this shampoo and conditioner. And no, it is not sponsored. Okay, I am finished rinsing the shampoo out, and make sure you get all the shampoo out because you don't want your flat iron or your style to be dull looking or stiff. And I just put the hair in the towel and get some of the, twist it around to get some of the water out. And then I add the conditioner to it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. And that's what I'm doing right now. You guys, the conditioner is also good. Just try this stuff, okay? Try this, Mazani. Time to rinse that conditioner out. And again, make sure you get all the conditioner out. Okay, I'm done rinsing the conditioner out. Now I'm going to shake the wig out a little bit and put some Biolage in there. And that gives it shine so you don't really have to put any oil or anything in while you're blow drying. To keep me from having to work so hard, since I am going to flat iron this, I'm going to put her under the dryer and get her more than half, like about 90% dry, and then I blow dry the rest of the way. Because I do not want to hold you guys or myself with a lot of blow drying. Now I'm just sitting there under that hooded dryer, okay? I'll be back. Didn't I tell you guys I was gonna be back? Okay, so now I'm just blow drying the in between the tracks, because sometimes when you put them under that hooded dryer, if you don't keep them under there long enough, it won't be dry. The wefts won't be dry. In this case, they were dry, but they weren't dry. So I'm just blow drying it for you guys. Oh my God, my LoRyders, I am so sorry. I thought that my camera was recording, but it wasn't. And I did like a light flat iron on it. And I'm going to go back over it again. Right now, I'm just cutting it. I can't believe I didn't have the camera on, you guys. But anyway, I'm just cutting it, you know, because sometimes when the hair is wavy like that, you have those little straggly ends. You can't see them when you're wearing it wavy, but once you flat iron it, you can see it. And for this, I just wanted a barely bumped. I wanted it barely bumped, you guys. And I think I'm going to cut it shorter. I know for sure I'm going to cut it shorter, but not in this video. Right here, I'm just going up the hair to get some of those split ends off. I'm not cutting the hair, I'm just cutting those little visible split ends. Now I'm going to take that pressing comb and get it a little bit straighter. Now I'm getting ready to install the wig on me. I'm not going to do a meltdown or anything like that. I'm just going to spray some of the even lace adhesive, because y'all know I don't sleep in my wigs, you guys. So I'm just trying to situate. I'm gonna go in and put some little bit of concealer on that scalp. On that lace, and call it a day, you guys. Call it a day. You guys, some wigs I do baby hairs on and some wigs I don't. This wig I decided to. I wasn't going to, but I decided to. And I wish that I hadn't, because sometimes baby hairs give me a pain in the butt doing so. Yeah. Gonna lay them down, tie them down. I spent way too much time working on them baby hairs. Way too much time. Okay guys, I am finished with this wig. This is the third wig of my bringing 3 old wigs back to life series, and this is wig number 3, you guys. It was curly, or wavy should I say, before, but yeah, you guys, look at, I can't see what the back looks like. Cute little simple bob, huh? Long bob. And if I wanted to, I could actually cut it like up to here, and I might do that later on. Not this video though. If you made it to the end of this video, this thanks is for you. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, okay? If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And that's how you become an official LoRyder.